we're going park up here.
I didn't know.
I didn't know. Tell you what, this is a nice surprise. This is Shrewsbury Arms, this is. Shrewsbury Arms. I didn't know.
So
I thought we were going home and we're going park up somewhere. And then...
Where do you want to go, Mel?
Anywhere.
You said you could go pretty much anywhere you want, really. So.
Yeah, just park up by that tree there or whatever you want.
That's right, I said, look about the tree there.
Yeah.
All my sisters.
Look in between the trees.
In between the two trees?
Yeah. I'd pull round and come back through. So, we've got a bit of stir fry going on there. It's looking nice.
This is such a nice meal, isn't it?
Oh, do you know, that's great. And to be honest, it didn't really take that long to prepare it all last time. When we came camping last time, what I'd prepared all the veg before in the house, whereas this time what we've done is we've just done it and thrown it in the pan, which has been great. Prepared it, threw it in the pan. There you
Not bad, is it really?
No.
Look at this dancing. Look at it. There are the arms again, do that bit.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's just give this a little stir. Oh, Lex, you didn't do that on the table,
be
look.
careful.
Do you know, when we were abroad once, Kieran did that on the side of the sink.
Talk about
Didn't you?
Because
Side of the sink and on the rail.
Said bad because
No, no.
Oh yeah, I remember that, yeah.
What actually happened is
Ripped the rail
Alexi had
off,
a
didn't
wee.
You've tried to jump over it.
So I tried to jump over it.
And I was trying to clean that up, and then you tried to jump over the wee, and then all of a sudden
the ball slipped
the rail went. Yeah,
I get the maintenance man, put it back on the wall. It just fell off.
Yeah.
I just tried to have my towel on it, obviously.
Oh dear me.
A strong grip, obviously. Kiss me, monkey
Can you
bean.
get that kettle boiling, yeah?
No, can't do it. No, you can't yet.
Just checking.
Okay. See you in. Takes ages on the gas.
Okay, you will really like this.
So it's great. So yeah, we put the blinds up already. See them there? As soon as we parked up, put them blinds, because when you've got the chair spun around, it is a bit of a pain to put them blinds up. It's just a bit of a pain, isn't it?
Just easier.
Yeah, so it's just easier before you spin the chairs round. You know, so we've done that. And them as well. Shane opened the door and put them window blinds up as well. Which was good, wasn't it, that?
Sure was.
Yeah.
We're all starving now.
And we're absolutely starving. It is like 7 o'clock at night. So we just need this to be quick, quick, quick. So we haven't got any heating on at the moment. So that's the situation. Fridges aren't. Heater isn't on. Got 2 bars on the water there. Let's give this a bit of a stir again. That needs a bit more water, that does. Right then, let's carry on. Ah, very nice. Yeah. The only thing I'm missing is my spring rolls.
Huh?
I do like spring rolls. So what's his personal best, Enki?
252 we just got.
252.
And I got 145.
So the boys just having a bit of a competition here on the Rubik's Cube. Shane always was the winner, but now Key is well ahead.
Nimble fingers.
The nimble fingers. Shane said it was because of his fingers.
I just messed up.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, but fair. Oh yeah, you can't give up.
Alright, so in 1 minute 20 you didn't even do the first side.
Oh.
It's that spinny. He's good. It like he spins out of the way, you think.
But you see your speed.
No, I prefer me. Other one is a bit more. That's sloppy, that is.
Go on then. Key, show me how it's done, sweetie.
Lexi, could you mix it up, please?
Oh, dear, bless you.
Don't mind.
Oh, you can do it now.
It's trying to break it.
Oh, 1 minute 30. Oh, she's doing it.
Oh, it's actually faster than you. It's kind of like mixed up if there's like one each side, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like me and
Is he?
I mean, even though there's like 9 dots and there isn't like 9 sides. So you know. Is that bad, aren't you? Oh, he's even done that, so you have to take it out first.
Oh really? Is that really
I
bad?
take that one out, I take that one out. No, to be fair, it's not that bad.
Yay!
Our time.
This is going to be like a 5 minute of this.
I'm just thinking what's the best way to get this in.
Okay. I've done it a long time behind my back. That's the easiest way.
You did do it behind your back once, didn't you?
I'm just thinking I'm going to do this, really.
5-minute job this game be. You have all the excuses in the world.
Do you want me to mix it up, Vicky?
No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Ready?
Go on then.
No, you got to look at me, because I'm not going to say go, because this is what you do.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Let's check the weather for tomorrow.
Good idea. See if we can have snow. Alexis, don't touch it though, sweetie.
Lexi, please don't. You can pause it if you want.
Pause it.
It's going to throw it down.
Oh, dear.
Like heaven's open, throwing down.
Well, snow throwing it down, or
Rain.
yeah, that's fine.
32, 33, 34, 35, 36.
So you're quick on that, Key.
38, 39,
Wrong one.
40,
Ah.
42, 43, 44,
The pressure in like a minute nearly.
46, 47,
one's always that
48,
too.
49, 50,
So just start again, because you haven't done one side yet.
53, 54.
Lexi, be quiet! Shh! I'm going to beat 252, that'll be fine.
You're never going to beat 252. It's on 2 minutes now.
Just like he's doing really well.
He's like, don't touch Lexi. She just paused it. Don't touch it.
Thanks, Lexi.
Got to add 40 seconds on.
No, it was like 2 seconds.
Oh, it's closing now. 220.
I know what I meant.
Kate, you're going to lose.
You're not going to do it, are you?
It's never
No, he is.
Oh, it's getting close now.
Done!
Yay!
Plus-
What does it do then?
plus-
No.
1.5 seconds.
Because you took ages to pause it.
Oh, well done, Key.
No, but yeah.
So, this is just a setting up for bed here. We've got the sleeping bags there. It's going to go up in a minute. A little protective sheet there.
For me, just in case.
For the 4-year-old, just in case, you never know. Yeah, this is super easy. Look at that there. Yeah, somebody really excited over there.
That's Lexi's pillar.
Yeah.
Run!
You ready, Keith?
Woo!
Excuse me, I'm busy!
Busy!
I'm busy. Maybe I'll throw him with the owl. That one's yours.
I don't know why I'm
Hey!
You guys are lucky because you're
Doing a good job there. I think you might be upside down. No,
I got past
I just have a duvet on mine. It's great.
You don't have to do it in like a 2x2 area, do you?
That Lexi?
No,
I'm going to pick you.
I want Mummy to do it.
No, I'll pick you.
What's in my nose then?
Oh, what's that?
What we get up to when the kids are in bed. Well, for a bit anyway. And if you put the arms down at the chairs, you can just rest. You film your laptop on just there.
It's 5 degrees outside. And we've only got to number 3 and it's plenty. And it goes to number 10.
Yeah. This is good, isn't it?
What does it tell
I mean, we've got the kettle at the moment, but
You can just put that on there.
I think that's fine, isn't it?
Yeah, 3 is
It's
good.
really nice. So, very good. Very good, very good.
Any biscuits or a cup of tea?
Biscuits. No, I'm bought biscuits this time. I know, I was in a rush. Sometimes.
Can you go and a cup of tea?
Don't know, I'll think about that. Oh, do you know, on this campsite now, we're at the Shrewsbury Arms. And do you know, as a pub to go, it's very nice, I must say. It's very nice. Really nice. Toast really nice.
Bargain price, 11 quid a night. No
Yeah,
electric.
can't go wrong.
But we don't need electric, we're alright.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
I've cut the video short, we can make a cup of tea.
Yeah. Right then, let's carry on. Yeah. I just burnt my finger there.
This stops bullets. Here stops you from getting dates.
Yeah, cup of tea.